Before moving ahead, with your permission, I want to play a one video with all viewers. Can we start?
Mr. V.S. Sajikumar, art teacher JNV Alapi, proved his mettle by doing outstanding effort in the field of art in education for the last 29 years. Some of his major achievements are highlighted to give a glimpse of his creative and innovative approaches in the field of art. Some of his achievements are highlighted here. He got National ICT Award in 2011, CBSE Art Integration Guideline Committee member for the year 2019. The Intel South Asia published 6 pages of article about him in the book, namely When Technology Transforms Teaching. Mentor in ICT Course Curriculum Development's CIET, participated in ICT Mela with an individual stall. Resource person for ICT Curriculum Development CIET, Art Education Master Trainee CIET. He participated in the National ICT Conference Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. He has also participated in the World Didact Education Summit organized by MHRD at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. He has also visited UK under UKRI program. He is also a professional artist associated with Kerala Lalita Academy and has also attended many state art camps organized by the state for the last 30 years. He has also created 20 huge-size sculptures in various JNVs with the help of students. He published 80 short video films and uploaded in the YouTube. It was viewed by more than 3 lakh viewers. He has created more than 2,000 square feet traditional Indian murals in the walls of the campuses of various JNVs. His works are in the collection of Lalita Kala Academy, Calcutta, National Museum Art Gallery, Port Blair, and many institutions in India. He is still connected with many students from various parts of the country.
I discovered my potential that I can be a good filmmaker or cinematographer only through the art education which was given to me in this Vidyalaya.
The online platforms, social medias are helping him a lot to transfer many innovative concepts to the society and students. For art integrated education, he has created biology park, maths park, chemistry park, and short films. Further, Nadan Ruji Club to promote traditional cooking and Tunnel to promote the organic agricultural farming have been initiated by him. He strongly believes that being an art teacher in this prestigious organization like Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti has helped him to work in a meaningful way for the sake of the organization, students, society, and professional art. The teaching learning process is going on, and it is a never ending process for him.
Okay, sir. Thank you for
Amazing.
this thing. I think now it is very clear to you that the way of journey through art is what we can say in many directions. So why? Because of this direction, it is only because of the Hindu art what I studied. So the India is such a you can say it is an encyclopedia of resources and never-ending sources are available in India. So we are not actually much aware of that. So I have taken a simple drop of element from there to understand much about the Indian art. So I think if you give a first step to climb through the Indian art, and then the remaining thing, the rest of thing will be child will be doing. because you just to give a first step. Okay, this is the way to climb. Then you know very well about the children's habit. If you show a pathway, then definitely they will be running over them. So this is what happening in my case also. We have given a spark to the children. This is the way to enter the art, and the children are actually very much interested for creating lot of things, and they become cinematographers, they become fashion designers, they become very good animators, they become very good architects, so sound editing field, so very good engineers. So wherever they go, they should prove
Mhm.
something about art. This is what my vision on art. It is a
Superb,
way
sir.
of it is a way of approach how we deal with the things. This is what I taught in the classroom. And
Exactly.
this is like sitting in my art room.
Mhm.
Now all these videos and everything is edited and recorded here only. Our English teacher Veena is given the voice, and children's most of the time children used to take the recording, and so most of the time they used to make the editing work. So
You are you are also working on just making students a kind of
yes, yes.
independent, Atmanirbhar kind of
Because
things and space.
we cannot always just take them. We have to give what we can say. We have to give a direction to them. This is the pathway we can enter.
Be a
So a skill.
skilled
This is the
student.
only the thing. Just a friendly approach to them. Okay, this is the way to enter the art world. So the students, they if they work with the collaborative way, they will
Mhm.
discuss each other. Then they will
Mhm.
generate some ideas. Then they will come. Okay, sir is okay. Then I used to
Mhm.
tell normally, okay, it is very good. You go ahead, because
Mhm.
then only we can get their independent things. If I suggest
Exactly.
something, definitely they may be just falling to my own way. So I am very particular, but the students should not imitate me. They should
Sure, sir.
go with their own way with some basic elements. So that basic
Exactly.
elements I am giving very happily. I am sharing, and my friends and my colleagues and even art friends, they are also sometimes coming to the art room
Mhm.
without any restriction. At any time, the my friends can come here. They can interact with the children, and like Kerala Lalithakala Academy or my art friends and some art groups,
Mhm.
Saga, like that. So many art groups are there. They are
Mhm.
also coming and supporting sometimes for conducting some camps and all. So students are really benefited. Because if you teach only one angle, they may be think,
Mhm.
okay, only this is the art. If many are coming and many are showing different method,
Mhm.
so they may be getting a global or universal view of that art. So
No
this
doubt.
is what my way of approach.
So, so in society, many people love to see. They
Yes,
always perceive that key art is a kind of extracurricular activity. But you had worked to integrate art with learning, sir.
yes,
Uh,
sir.
I will urge you to just share briefly about your some key innovative practices you are doing with your students, sir. Please.
Sir, actually, in the society is a very integrated part of education. We cannot avoid the society. So
Exactly.
even the vacation time, voluntary, very long back onwards, I was actually doing some workshops in my village. My village is actually located in Kollam district, Vettikavala. It is a we can say, very ordinary village with all of its innocence. And we have a temple. We have a very good reading, that library is there, and a lot of clubs also there. So a team of young peoples behind that, we worked together for conducting art exhibitions, art workshops, a couple of days, 7 days, 10 days every year. So initially, I started some couple of years. Even now, without me, also that process is going on there. Those time, the small kids who attend the class, they became professionals now, and they graduated and postgraduate with art. Now, without me, also the process is going on there. Whenever I am not getting a time, the things are not ending there, because it is I too want to continue something like that way. Unless until if you are not sharing, if you are not giving a chance to the juniors, definitely whatever we do, it will not continue. So I prefer only juniors, to equip them, to allow them to work with them the society, so that society will be getting a newcomers. When we became old, the youngsters will be there. That or if we create our own team, definitely with our generation, that it will be an end of art. So always I used to focus the youngsters to promote, even the LKG, UKG, even first, second, third, fourth, like that class students. Whenever they handle art, they are getting a big dream. Okay, I can do like this. So it's naturally growing with their own study. They may be passing 10th class or 12th class or degree, and they may be approaching in a different viewpoint with aesthetically. So I think this is the way of, and I too done some work with some beautification work with some public places, waiting shed, and some rest places. So we decorate the paintings over there. So the public also will see that, okay, this is the way for getting a beautification. So that way also it is communicating. And whenever the orphanage students are coming to the art room, we are giving the techniques, we are giving the camera, we are giving the computer, we are just recording their voice. So they are also just getting a chance to expose their own things, even without any age group. Very senior people also coming, retired people also coming. So it is a teamwork. Basically, it is a teamwork. Everyone should enjoy art. That is what I want. And every
Yes.
family should enjoy the art. And for connecting art, this organic agriculture, and even seeing film, seeing festival, and even art and craft, and everything is connecting the family relationship also. And so in even my family also, myself and my missus and my mother and my I have two children. So we actually work together for each and every work. Even my daughter is still with me. Come on. And she is my daughter Tanu. So
Hello.
okay. So what we do, Neernu, what we do normally, and
Mhm.
when my father was a teacher, basically.
Mhm.
So in my childhood, I used to go with him. So he used to work sometimes very late night for working with the science, and he was very good mathematics and a science teacher. He was become principal over there, and retired from school with a state award. And 4 or 5 times he was award national level award in science exhibition working mode. So I was simply sitting with him, and those particular period, I got a work culture, how to work very dedicated way in the school system. That the first lesson I got from my father. And his activities very much influenced me. And the way of uh, what we can say, how he treated the school, it's not a part of job. He was living with the that school atmosphere, and he tried to create that school in a different manner, in a prestigious manner. So that influence, it became to a very big dream to me also. Wherever I go, I too dedicate my contribution or my skill to my children and school. So I never treated my children as something separate from me. It is how I treated my daughter and son the same way. My children also having the freedom with me and my home. So still, even after 20, 29 years after, the children are actually frequently calling the same vibe. They're just calling and sharing with me. So I think this is a success. More than this award, this is a treat to me that the students feedback.
Such an inspiring story. And sir, uh, the way you are working with your community, especially in your school, is quite impressive. And in fact, the teachers who are listening it, in fact, those who will go through this video, they will get lots of inspiration from you, sir.